All right, y'all, let's make this delicious pizza grilled cheese. We're gonna start by making some garlic butter. I'm using about a half stick of softened butter here and a couple cloves of fresh garlic. We're just gonna smash those and get those peeled. And then we're gonna take those garlic cloves and mince them up real small. Since we're putting this in a butter and we want it to spread, after we mince it up and chop it up, I'm actually going to use the side of my knife to kind of smash it into almost like a paste. Then we could scrape that right off the cutting board and just throw it right in on top of that butter. Next, I'm going to use some of Blackstone's Tutto Italiano seasoning. We're going to sprinkle a hefty amount of that in this garlic butter. That's going to add a nice bit of flavor to this garlic butter. Add a nice little bit of flavor to our grilled cheese. Use a spoon, and we're going to take that softened butter and just kind of smash all those ingredients together. And there's our garlic butter. I'm going to use Texas toast for this because I think the thicker toast is best for grilled cheese. And I'm going to spread one side each of these pieces of bread with that garlic butter. Make sure you get it all over, all the way to the edges, because this is where a lot of that flavor for this pizza grilled cheese is going to come from. Like I said, we're only doing one side because the inside's going to be covered with toppings and we don't need to have a bunch of butter on the inside. We'll start by toasting what will be the inside of the sandwich on the griddle. Get my pizza sauce ready so that right as soon as I flip that bread, I'm ready to go to spread some of that pizza sauce. We're going to just get a thin layer of that pizza sauce all the way to the edge of that first slice of bread. Then we're going to add some additional toppings. I've got a hefty amount of freshly shredded mozzarella cheese here. Never the bag cheese, always freshly shredded. I'm going to throw in some pepperonis here. Do about 5, I think that'll be good. Then I'm going to add some more of that freshly shredded mozzarella on top. This is a grilled cheese after all, y'all. We want a lot of cheese melted on this. Then I'm going to pick up that other slice of bread that's been toasting. Carefully flip it over in my hand and spread a little bit more pizza sauce. Again, real thin all the way to the edges across that piece of bread. We're going to make sure that we're putting that down and having the butter on the outside. You can see that butter starting to melt. Once we flip this sandwich, we're going to cover it up with a basting dome. This is going to help that cheese on the inside just start to melt and get all stringy and gooey. We're going to pull that grilled cheese off the griddle. Be careful not to let it burn. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Cut this baby in half. Get ready to enjoy. Y'all, this was a delicious grilled cheese. That seasoning added a lot. Y'all give it a try. Let me know if you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe.